The first thing you'll need to do is to make sure you have created a YouTube account. If you have a Gmail account, then it's automatically going to pull that one up since Google owns YouTube. You can create your unique account if you don't want to use that one. It doesn't mean students have access to your other videos, but if you're more comfortable creating a separate account, then that's possible as well. So once you've signed in or create an account, you're going to toggle this camera icon that says create a video or post, upload a video, and you can simply drag and drop your MP4 file or choose select file. It's going to access your desktop. Make sure to save your video in a place that's easy to find. Choose the MP4 that you want to upload. And then you'll go through the step-by-step process of the prompts YouTube require you to fill in. So title is required, description is not. If you're choosing to link with 3C Media, then these will be the items that will come over that you put in. It's all editable as well. You can choose whether you or not you want to have this indicate it's made for kids or not made for kids. Yes, it's made for kids, doesn't allow any marketing to happen. So the choice is up to you whether you choose that. Make sure you do think through your content that you have in your video though. And all of the rest are personal preference. You can choose to explore these options, but they are not required. Public is as it indicates. Anybody is allowed to see it and use it. Unlisted, it's only those you choose to give the link to. So if you're embedding into Canvas, it would be only students that you've given that link to. And private, it doesn't allow you to share out with 3C Media integration. So if you're wanting to integrate with 3C Media, if you toggle on private, it's not going to allow that to happen. So just be aware of that behavior. If you have any questions or concerns, then you can contact us and we can explore more about the difference between unlisted or private. And then you're saving it. You can grab the embed link right from here and embed that into Canvas, see the additional video on the process for that, or you can close that. Now, right now, you can see that it's unlisted. It doesn't have the captions rendered yet, and you can verify that clicking this details icon, more options, and subtitles, there isn't any rendered right here. You can upload some if you would like. I'll show you what it looks like in another video that the subtitles has rendered. So I click on the edit icon, more options, and you can see right here, here are the automatic YouTube captions that have rendered. If I choose that, edit on classic video, I'm also going to choose now the edit option. And right here you can see that I can simply read through and edit it. I found that the auto-generated captions provided by YouTube are close enough that I can simply read through it and correct the grammar. They are not good enough to not create the edits that need to be done. But I have found that for the most part, I don't need to re-listen to the video. I can simply read through and add that punctuation that is missing. Occasionally there'll be misspellings, so you want to make sure that all of the words are spelled correctly. And again, I found that reading through it is the quickest way to do it if I've been clear. If there's something that I can't quite remember what I was saying there, I can highlight it, push
Economic,
play,
political, and
and
historical
listen to it
context.
right there. So then I can go in and edit what it's meant to say. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to save changes. And you can see I have the automatic ones and the ones that I've edited. So once I return to YouTube, Once you have a video where you have edited captions, you can go in and look at details, more options, and see you have the edited captions and also the automatically generated captions. So if I go in and watch this video on YouTube,
So what are some additional scales that you'll see in a rating scale? Advanced,
and I turn on the
proficient, partially
captions,
proficient.
you can see where I've edited and included that punctuation. Now you know how to edit the auto-generated captions in YouTube.